Hi, I'm Christina Hildebrandt, and I am going to present on the benefits of including mentor texts in the content areas. This is what I chose to do my inquiry paper on. So first up, mentor texts as tools for teaching critical literacy skills. I liked this quote from one of my sources that if we borrow the idea of mentor texts, we can find valuable sources for apprenticeship, including multimodal and multiple perspectives that are easy to access in and out of classrooms. When I think mentor texts, I'm not just thinking read alouds or picture books. Through my research, I found that you can use quotes from public figures in history. I added one here that from Karl Marx that stated that revolutions are the locomotives of history. You can work on that quote with your students and break it down and find the meaning of the words in that quote and what Karl Marx is talking about. It's a great way to integrate literacy, vocabulary components along with history. You can use online articles, you can use academic blogs or moving images that you find online. There's a wide range of sources that you can use that are included as the definition of mentor texts. And you can use all of these as tools in your content area instruction. Mentor texts as resources in informational literacy skills. I found a lot of research on the benefits of mentor texts in nonfiction and informational reading and writing. I found a quote from Dollins that stated that additionally referencing our mentor texts, both standard and creative nonfiction, would serve as models for students to choose how to craft their writing and present the information. Since content area writing is so specific to each discipline, it's important to use mentor texts as models in that type of writing for each content area. I had to do a little bit of digging to figure out what was the difference between creative nonfiction and standard nonfiction. What I found was creative nonfiction is more of the autobiography, nonfiction poetry type nonfiction, and standard nonfiction is the true stories that have happened in history or just, your standard science text, quote from a scientist. That would all be considered to be standard nonfiction mentor texts. There's 4 things that you can do with your mentor text in informational literacy. It's a great way to introduce the topic that you're going to be covering. It's a great way to model descriptive attributes relating to the specific content. You can show characteristic events. This was specifically stuck out to me in history lessons. You can look at the characteristics of people. You can compare and contrast between famous people in history. Mentor texts also help you with the final summary. You kind of help sum up the concepts and the instructional approaches that you're using for that specific content area. Mentor text benefits in science and social studies instruction. I found a lot of research on this and the benefits to using mentor texts in science and social studies, since the language and the writing is so specific and so academic in those areas. I found a quote that said, mentor texts in which authors are overt about the questions they're asking are essential for student understanding. And that is so true. If I wanted to go learn more about life science, I would go to a source or a resource related to that specific content. And mentor texts are a great way to do that at a level that the students can relate to or speak to them in some way. I found this little chart that talked about inquiry and how mentor texts help with guided inquiry. They help guide those questions, and then in that investigation, they help model the content area writing and reading skills. They help create collaborative discussion between peers and between teachers and students, and they help with that visualization piece as well. Mentor texts as models of proficient writing. This is probably where I have used mentor texts the most. I actually have this book and I use it as a resource. It's one of my favorite books as a resource in the classroom, The Writing Thief. I found a quote that stated, "The mentor text authors can serve as co-teachers in the classroom, helping students meet those higher expectations in writing." Writing can be a complex content area to teach, and so by using mentor texts as models of different writing crafts, that helps teachers and it helps students, and it can serve as a very important and explicit resource for both teachers and students. Mentor texts in writing can also showcase specific traits of content area writing, whether you want to be talking about, the genus and species in science, or you want to talk about different periods of wars around our country or around our world. You can find mentor texts that help showcase those specific traits of how to communicate that information. It's also guides in academic writing. Mentor texts are a really good way to model academic writing, and so that is another way to use those in your writing block as well. Lastly, these are my references. I hope that you learned or took something from this presentation, and have a great evening. Thanks.